50 squats a day sounds like leg advice. It's not. It's bone advice, hormone advice, joint advice, and heart advice all wrapped into one movement. And most people over 50 have no idea they're leaving all of that on the table by skipping it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what happens inside your body when you do 50 squats every single day, from your bones to your hormones to your joints. And you'll understand why this one movement covers more ground than most full gym routines. No equipment, no membership, just 50 reps. The first thing that changes is your bones. When you squat, the force your body generates against the ground travels up through your legs, hips, and spine. That pressure signals your bone cells to build new tissue, which means higher bone density and bones that are harder to fracture. After 50, bone loss accelerates. 50 squats a day pushes back directly against that. But what surprises most people is what squats do for your joints. Every time you squat, your knee, hip, and ankle joints get flooded with synovial fluid, your body's natural lubricant. That fluid reduces friction, feeds your cartilage, and slows the wear and tear that leads to arthritis. The joints that get used regularly stay healthier longer. The ones that don't. Now here's the part most people don't expect at all. Squats affect your hormones, specifically testosterone. When you load multiple large muscle groups simultaneously, which is exactly what a squat does, your body reads that as a signal to release muscle-building hormones. For men over 50 whose testosterone is already declining, that natural hormonal response from a daily squat habit is meaningful. Not a replacement for medical advice if you have a clinical deficiency, but a real documented physiological trigger. The fourth change happens in your circulation. Your leg muscles contracting rhythmically during squats act almost like a secondary pump, pushing blood back up toward your heart. That means less swelling, less fatigue, and better oxygen delivery to your muscles throughout the day. And the fifth and most underrated is what 50 squats does to your core. You can't squat correctly without your abdominals, lower back, and pelvis activating to keep you stable, which means every rep is also a core rep. Better posture, less back pain, stronger foundation for everything else you do. So here's the full picture. 50 squats a day, bones get stronger, joints stay lubricated, testosterone gets a nudge, circulation improves, and your core tightens. 3 sets of 15 or 17 or 50 straight if you've built up to it. Either way, the daily habit is what creates the result. Tell me in the comments, can you currently do 50 squats in a row without stopping? I'm genuinely curious where most people are starting from. If you want to build on this, watch my video on the 3 most anti-aging exercises. Squats are one of them, and the other 2 complement exactly what you just learned here. If straightforward fitness that actually works after 50 is what you're looking for, subscribe. That's all we do here.